Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 72. If we start with this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 9. We've got a 3 and 9 here, so this is our 4. I don't see any other help. So 3, 9, 3, 9. For this column, looks like we're missing 3, 5, and 7. We've got a 3 and 5 here, so this is our 7. 5 here, so 3, 5. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, and 8. We've got an 8 covering here, so 1, 4. 4 and 8 here, so that makes this our 1, 4, 8. For this box now, we're missing 4, 6, and 9. We've got a 6 and 9 here, so this is our 4. Don't see any other help. So 6, 9, 6, 9. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 7. No help here. 1, 3, 7. 3 and 7 here. That makes this our 1, 7, 3. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 7, 4. For this box, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 2. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 3. A 1 here, so 3, 5. And no help here, 1, 3, 5. For this top row, we're missing 1, 5, and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 6. 5 here, so 1, 6. That means that our 5 has to be here. For this column, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 9, 8. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, 6, and 9. We've got a 9 covering both of these boxes, but I don't see any other help. So 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, 6, and 9. We've got a 2 and 9 here, so 3, 6. And just the 9 here, so 2, 3, 6. If we look, though, the only place that the 2 can be in that column is here. If we look at this bottom row, we're missing 1, 3, 6, and 9. We've got a 3 here and a 9 here, so 1, 6. 3 here, so 1, 6, 9. 1 and 9 here, so 3, 6. If we look, the only place the 9 can be in that row is here. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, 4, and 6. We've got the 4 here, so 1, 3, 6, 3 and 4 here, so 1, 6, 1 here, so 3, 4, 6. If we look, the only place our 4 can be is here. we look at this column, we're missing 3, 6, and 7. No help here. 3, 6, 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 6. So the only place our 7 can be in that column is here. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, 6, and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 4, 8. 1 and 8 here, so 4, 6. 4 and 8 here, so 1, 6. So the only place our 8 can be in that column is here. And looks like the only place our 4 can be is here. For this column, we're missing 1, 5, 6, and 9. We've got a 5 and 6 here, so 1, 9. 1 here, so 5, 6, 9. But if we look, the only place the 5 can be is here, and the only place the 9 can be is here. That 5 makes this our 3, 1, 6. That 3 makes this our 9, 3. That 3 makes this our 6, 1, 3. That 6 makes this our 9, 6. We can get rid of these two 6s. And that 6 makes this our 1. That 1 makes this our 3, 5, 6, 3, 1, 6. And that 6 makes this our 1. To finish out this box, we're missing a 7. And for this box, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 6 here. So 4 and 6. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.